practice catching the disc and attacking. When we are playing Ultimate, are you ever standing all by yourself in a space with plenty of time to catch? No, unless you are amazing, in which case teach me. But usually there's somebody right behind you. You have to really focus. There's a lot going on. You can't just kind of catch like, oh, yeah, cool. Right? That doesn't work. When you have defense on you, what does your catching look like? Justin, show us. Okay, he's attacking, getting to the disc. His arms are out in front so that he can get to the disc before his defender, who is probably behind. Right? If I'm out here, Exton's not going to get there. My body's in the way. I'm going to catch this disc. So when we're going to practice catching now, what I want everyone to do is, Exton, if you're on that line and I'm on this side, we're still going to be throwing flat forehands and backhands. You can challenge yourself, step out a little more, do something a little different. The focus this time is on catching everything and attacking the disc. So as I throw this, Exton is going to take a couple steps towards the disc and really attack. And I'm going to do the same. He's going to jog back. Okay, so this is going to be moving. It's a little tired. You're going to get a little tired. That's okay. Really focus.
Jog back.
On 100% completion. If a disc goes out to the side, what should Exton do? Let's go, say it.
Move your body.
Move your body behind the disc and still attack. So, if I throw it out here, look at where Exton moved. His body started here, and his body's over there. He didn't do this, not lunging out, right? He's moving. This is why we practice our shuffles, to get behind it, always. Okay? So, 10 catches. Let's do 20 catches. Attacking, active.